Hello,
Hello! Welcome to the miniature world of Kit and Caboodlers.
we are a mother-daughter team who spend our time searching various places around Britain, such as beaches and woodlands, for old, forgotten treasures.
We then bring these treasures home to create miniatures and dolls for our handmade 1940s sugar box doll's house.
Come along and see what we made this time.
And as always, we hope you enjoy. Hello!
Hello.
So this week we are going to be making a fireplace for the new nursery using the tiny little tiles we found at the beach the other day.
Which was very exciting.
Yes, we got very excited finding them. And a selection of found wood and other copper bits. And this film's a little different. It's pretty much just a whole process, isn't
Yes.
it, in real time. So let us know in the comments down below if you prefer films like this or the more sort of edited ones, because we're sort of new to crafting films, so we'd love your opinion.
Experimenting.
Yeah, so let's see how it goes, and we hope you enjoy.
was the other way, wasn't it?
So this is a tiny polar bear that Oscar found on the beach.
But yeah, Treasure Beach. It's the best thing he's ever found. And I think it's going to look adorable on the mantelpiece.
And then this tiny doll's house Wedgwood jug that we found at a bottle dump, and it's still, I think, the best actual doll's house thing we've ever
I
found.
know, it's mad, isn't it? It is actually a doll's house.
Yeah.
And the colours go really well.
It really does go very well with the wallpaper.
And then I'm just going to put this in front of the fire. This little boy having a bath in his tin bath that we also found at the dump again, I think.
Yeah, it's a saucepan, but...
Yeah, it's not a real... It's
But
not a
we're
real
using
tin
the
bath, but it looks like it does. The colour's beautiful. And someone gave us this doll. But he fits
A viewer,
perfectly
yeah.
in here, so
Yeah.
he's going in front of the fire, in front of the sea glass yellow fire.
So there's the start. I think it looks really cute and cosy so far.
I know, the colours go really well.
They do. So obviously it's going to need quite a couple of beds
Yeah.
and some toys and some things on the wall.
And a carpet.
Oh yes, and a carpet. So we hope you enjoyed the fireplace building. I think it worked well. So we just have to say a massive thank you to Catherine, who sent us some wonderful gifts for the crafting channel. As you can see, this absolutely amazing box of superfine white milliput, which is the best milliput for what we use it for, and it's so much easier to use the white stuff because then it's easier to paint.
Look,
It's
I just read on the...
Oh my goodness! For the restoration of porcelain and other ceramics, repair of antiques, Victorian dolls. That's amazing!
That's
I've
right,
never
yeah, no.
absolutely. We started using milliput because my dad uses it a lot in work, but that's amazing. And yeah, we do. Yes, we use milliput a lot, and we're a big advocate for them. And wonderfully, a couple of years ago now, they sent a lovely viewer got in contact with them and told them about the way we were using it in crafting, and milliput sent us a big parcel, didn't they?
Do you think they changed it after we did our films?
I doubt it. But yes, milliput are a wonderful company, and it's a wonderful product. And yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah,
We love milliput.
it's really good. That'll last a long time.
Yes, oh my goodness, yes. And she also sent us some E6000 glue. And this one was anonymous. There was no name in the parcel, but we also got sent some Gorilla Glue, which is amazing because we have been informed that the glue we use
Was tested on animals.
is tested on animals, which is horrendous. And
Yeah.
I really didn't think people did that anymore. I thought that was... So yeah, we will use this because it would be wasteful otherwise, but we won't be buying this again. So, but Gorilla Glue is 100% vegan and not tested on animals, so much better. And we have used Gorilla Glue before, and it is good. So,
I've got this.
oh yeah, and Catherine also sent us this amazing gift and craft papers, William Morris, which is just absolutely stunning. And it's going to come in very handy for Doll's House wallpapers, especially because I recently got myself a Doll's House from a charity shop, and it's got no wallpapers on the walls, so it'll definitely
William
be...
Morris house.
Yes. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. We love William Morris, and we do actually have
William Morris
Morris wallpaper in our actual house. So yes, this is perfect. Thank you so much, Catherine. They're very wonderful, very thoughtful gifts. And thank you to whoever sent the Gorilla Glue too. And thank you to everyone that has liked, commented and subscribed to this new channel. It means everything and we really appreciate it. And I think soon we are going to be starting on the restoration of the 1930s Doll's House. So keep an eye out for that. We hope you have a wonderful rest of the week, and we will see you on Monday, properly this time.
Hopefully.
Bye.
Bye.